I'm going to show you how to make some freaking money. This is an easy trick to make $100 a day, and you can do that from Nigeria with Facebook without owning your own product, without having any technical experience, without having to pay for any ads or any traffic. This is going to be real and easy. I've already made a lot by doing this, and I'm going to show you how you can use this trick, how you can get started, how you can get paid really quick. So a Nigerian bank transfer there, because I will show you a Nigerian network also to use PayPal. If you follow the Nigerian method I'm going to show you, so your clicks that you need about 60 clicks or 65 clicks, 65 clicks to get you that $100. So if you can get 65 people clicking on this link, you should, it's not guaranteed, but you should be making $100 if you can get 65 people to click on that link, because most people earn $1.5 earnings per click. So the time that you'll be receiving this money is about a week. Usually, now the affiliate networks that I'm going to be showing you, you can apply here. You can use your Nigerian bank account to withdraw your earnings. So the first network that I'm going to be showing you is Warrior Plus, and affiliate network that is they have offers. So once you register, you can start instantly. Then once you create your account, you want to create the marketplace. You want to click on the marketplace, and you come to a page like this where you can search for offers. So you can just hit the search button. You can just type in your keyword and hit the search button. So if you want to promote a weight loss product, you just searching weight loss, and then you have the list of weight loss products that you can select from. So all you need to do to promote is just to, once you get the offers, you just click to request to promote offer, and then what you're going to do. So I want to show you, this is another site, Expert. Now this is the Nigerian platform that I told you. So they have a lot of offers also, and you get paid to your Nigerian bank account. What you need to do is you can apply to them. You don't even need to apply, just like once you go, it's almost instantly. Just go to the link on this page, tradescom.com/expert. It has many offers, including weight loss offers. So let's say we are advertising a weight loss offer. So you just go to a site like bit.ly.com, and then you input the link to the product. You put a link and you copy the link. Then next step, now in Facebook, what you want to do, remember, is that we are advertising a product that help people lose weight. So you want to focus on groups or Facebook pages that focus on helping people lose weight. Makes sense, right? So if you have to target the right people, you advertise weight loss products, people who don't care about weight loss, you won't make any sale. So what you do is simply we type in weight loss and type in weight loss there in the screen there, and then I'm going to click search. So you can see that we have a few pages that show up. So there's one weight loss page, strictly weight loss. We have a group, strictly weight loss, 45k members. So what you do is simple. Just posting your affiliate link doesn't mean that people are going to start buying. Doesn't work like that. So what you do is you take that link and then you post something like on the page. Post something like love what you do on Facebook. Here's some products that help me lose weight, as well as you post the link the way the users can click there and sign up for the products. There are also other pages that you can go to, weight loss pages. As you can see, there are many weight loss pages here that you can also go and post your link every day. Now the next thing you do is just do it all over again. You do it as many places as you can. So there's other pages, there are other blogs that you can find. There are many other places in which you can do this. You can message people. You can see there's comments on this, and you can just do is get all those pages. Go there, paste your links. You can message people, you can post on Facebook groups, etc. The most important thing I want to make clear is that you take action. You take some action and you start doing these things. Now you can start doing these things today. or you can put them off and say you do them next week or next month. And I also want you to understand that obstacle may come out. Some page moderator may not approve, some group may not approve. Click on links and unnecessarily buy. But the point of the matter is, this is the way to reach people. This is the way to make $100 a day from Facebook without spending anything. And to do that, to get access to the Nigerian Affiliate Network Expert, now just go to tradesco.com/expert and sign up there. Once you sign up there, you have links to you have access to all those products that you can promote on Facebook. So I hope you go there and then you get started today.